So this is the reason to I love Shiba Inu coin, my friend. My plus 1.31%, the price is increasing, the volume is increasing, and absolute circulating supply is increasing. And the 1st October, my friend, can you believe to 1st October Shiba Inu everything is increasing. Otherwise, if we check out, my friends, without VChain is one of the unique to, they will get a 11% profit, my friend. The price is increasing 11%. Can you believe this? It is absolutely unbelievable pumps take now, and I love VChain, and absolutely I also, my friend, invest now in VChain. But Shiba Inu is one of my favorite, and I love also, my friend, Shiba Inu coin, because they will also give me a profit 1.31%. They will give me a profit, so that is clear, my friend. To upcoming time, this price, this coin will also pumps up. So therefore, otherwise, my friend, I sell it at the end of month, but I cannot sell it at the end of October, my friend. Sorry, September. Absolutely, because I know, my friends, to when a coin were fares down in the last days of month, definitely they will pumps up in the start of month. Otherwise, remember, to the start of month, every coin were very badly fares down. So therefore, I'm 100% sure, my friends, so Shiba Inu coin will give me a profit. Kindly order. If you also want to get a profit, now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest and urgent update videos, my friends. So hope you will do this. And one thing more, my friends, to please hold it, don't starting selling, otherwise they will cannot give you a profit, and absolutely you will very badly lost. So Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.